Hi friend, good morning. In this video we will learn how to fix all these common problem we always encounter with all this MTK device. It is a common problem, we all know, the LCD problem. So majority of the time the LCD are always broken and we cannot fix it, and we don't trust anybody we give our phone to. So in this morning we will learn how to repair the phone, how to disassemble the phone, how to remove all the delicate parts, and how to fix the new screen to the phone. So let's go on with the disassembling. Remember, the back glass is always easy for it to get broken. So majority of the time you have to apply your solvent or your a flat tool. You pop it in. After you pop it in, you should not dip it inside. You should not dip it too much. And again, don't use sharp objects like razor blade. Use something that is not as sharp as a razor blade, and always be very careful because of the fingerprint. There are some flexes that are there that you should not even tamper with. So after we have opened that place we open that space with razor blade. So we have to use this our knife to open it. Don't dip it inside too much. So that it will not spoil the fingerprint and flex. So you just have to be very careful. You apply your solvent. Apply a little solvent with it. So that's the solvent. You apply it. So that solvent will soften the glue. So when it softens the glue, it will be very easier for us to remove. Yes. So hi friends, in this video you are going to enjoy it. So you apply the solvent. After which you have applied the solvent, it is easier for you to remove now. It is very easy. So applying the solvent is very easy. The major things here is for us to remove the back cover. Another way which you can remove the back glass is by applying little heat, but that one is not necessary with this glass. So in our upcoming video I will show you how to remove all these screens, all this LCD with little heat. So when you apply little heat, it will be removed. But the reason why I'm using a solvent here is because this one has already been opened before. So when it has already been opened before, it is no more hard to open like a factory fitted one. So in our upcoming video I will show you how to open it and how to remove it when a new phone. So what we are concerned here is how to remove the screen, how to fix it by ourselves, so that we will not give our phone to outsiders. So let us lose the screw there. We will lose it carefully. We remove all the screws. After we have removed all the screws, we must be careful with when removing the screw, because there are some hidden screws at the back of the camera. It is very important to remove it carefully. We can also apply our solvent to that side also, so that it will be very easy for us to remove. You can see there are screws hidden at the back of the camera glass. So we must be very careful to remove it carefully. We must be very careful. So after we have removed it, we just have to remove every down bolt, because even little bolts will hinder us from doing this job perfectly. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do help me to subscribe to my channel to allow the channel to grow. So I appreciate more, so that the community will grow. And if there is anything you want me to know in the comment section, or if there is anything you want me to do, I want you to tell me, so that we will do it together. So you can see we have already removed it, so we'll keep it aside. So next is for us to remove the battery. Firstly, that is a very important aspect. We have to remove the battery first. Any appliances that uses battery, we have to remove it first. So that is very important. And how do we remove the battery? You can use this one, has already been removed before. So but the one that has not been removed before, we can apply solvent. that little solvent, you just put it at the back of the battery and the gum will be losing. So this one, the screen, next is the screen that we want to repair. So we will remove that flex, so the screen, so you can use your anything to remove it since the screen is bad. But if the screen is still okay, there is a way we use to remove it as well. But if the screen is bad and you want to work under the screen, you can use your heater. So but here we are going to use this suction cup. So we use the suction cup to remove the screen. So when we put the suction cup, any little opening it is there, we will use our knife to remove. As we have successfully removed the screen, it is good, but don't forget to clean your carcass. Very important. If you did not clean it, the next screen will overlap and it will not sit very well. And if it does not sit very well, you begin to see light through the screen. So to avoid this, we have to clean our carcass thoroughly. We have to clean those factory glue or the glue that has been put there. We remove it careful, so that it will not break the carcass. You have to remove it with a sharp object, but you must be very careful with your hand, and as well we must be very careful with that the carcass as well, so that it will not get broken. So after you have successfully cleaned the carcass, then we'll go ahead and put the new screen. After which we have gotten the new screen, first of all we have to test it. When you go to a shop that they sell the screen, you have to test it there. Very important, because there are some screens that are already broken. So we have to test it. You will not remove anything from the screen, you just have to test it. After which we have tested and it is okay, it is then we will say it is then we are ready to fix our screen. Guys, this is very easy, guys. Only thing is that we just follow my instructions. It is very easy to break a new screen, but you just have to follow my instructions. It's very simple, very easy, guys. It's very easy. You can see the new screen has turned on, so we have to wait until the phone gets boot. After the phone is boot, we'll continue in fixing the screen. So guys, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please let this community grow. Let this community grow so that we have a bigger one to show to the world. Thanks. Now, as the screen has turned on, you have tested it. You test every angle of the screen. You test the alphabet, the keys. You turn on the brightness. You check every damn thing as it works. So you remove back the battery. When you remove the battery, so it is time for us to fix the screen. To fix the screen, that is the next step. So to fix the screen is very easy, guys. There's nothing to fear about. It is very easy. It is very easy. So first of all, we are going to apply our glue. Make sure you buy this type of glue. It's called T7000, the black. We don't use the white because it will stain the screen. The white will be showing this kind of illumination. The light from the screen will be reflecting. But when you use a pure black screw, it will be very easy to fill up the brighter side. It is very easy. So guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel again. Please, I have a reason why I'm saying this, so that our upcoming video, you will enjoy it. You will be able to learn so much. And again, if you want to learn this job, it is very easy. Even with this channel, you can learn the job. It is very easy for you to learn. So as we have applied it, so you also apply the glue to our carcass as well, and you apply it to the edges. I mean the edges. And don't forget to check out for your sensors. You must not block the sensors of the screen. So I will tell you what I mean by the sensor in later soon in this video. So the sensors, they are very important, so that you will not block them. The proximity sensor, so that you will not block it. So when it is blocked, it is then you call, and the calling will be very dark. You will not see the person you are calling. You will not be able to reject the call. So but when you open it, you did not block it. It is very easy. that is the sensor area I'm talking about. You don't block it. You make sure you don't block the sensor. Very, you must not block it. You can see, do not block it. Do not block that sensor. So you apply it gently. You apply it gently, guys. It is very simple. So you wait for some times, like after like 10 or 5 minutes, you have to so you have to insert it carefully. It's very careful. You fix it from the back, from the down board, from the down flex. You fix it, so upward you go, so it will fit in perfectly. And you clean the glue away. You remove all those glues, all those extra glue, you remove them. So you remove it and make sure your work is very neat. So with this one, guys, you'll be able to work on your phone, your individual phones. Even if you collect another person's phone, you can work it for you can do it for them. It is very easy, guys. It is very easy. Thanks for watching, guys. It is very easy. So we have done something today. So don't forget, the way you lose all the screw, you have to return it. You have to take note of every down places you have removed the screw. So when you lose it, so that is how you are going to tighten it. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. See you in the next videos.